All right, gang. I want to share a little bit of feedback today on these Chalkola Platinum Series 15 millimeter chalk markers. These are designed for use on cars and signs and outdoor windows, things like that for business. And I know you can pick a lot of these up, but let me show you why we grabbed these. Big, wide marker, but the great thing of it is a tri-tip marker. So it actually has a beveled edge for fine lines, a big fat blunt edge if you're doing something big and blocky, and you can turn it if you need on these little fine edges, if you need just a super fine line to outline. The second thing we loved about these is every single one of these neon markers are vibrant. They are beautiful. The colors stand out so well. They are phenomenal. Looks so good on the back of her car. I actually let my daughter loose on the back of my car just as a way to test these out and let her draw and play and do whatever she wanted to, and she just had such a blast with these. It looks so good. The great thing is too, they are, it is washable, it is removable. We use the side window to prime these markers. Every one of these markers do need to be primed when you start out. They're not gonna have any ink on the nib, so you gotta prime them. So we just primed them on the side window, let that dry, went to town, came back later, and was able to just use a little bit of Windex, couple paper towels, and the writing came right off. Listen, if you are looking for a good set of chalk markers to use on some business signage, some business windows, some car windows for some fun things, man, check these out. They're made by Chalkola. We absolutely love them, and I think you're gonna like them too.